Unlimited. Today on the dyno we have a 540 big block Chevy. This thing performs amazing. They run awesome. I love big blocks. And this one is our 650 model. Just got done making, a little bit over 660-ish. And this is carbureted. Yep, carburetor on top of here. Got a Billet distributor back here. And AFR heads. Everything's all the performance goodies in this motor right here. If you're looking to power your old Chevelle, Nova, C10, what have you, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to power your ride with something new and fresh. 1-800-267-3940.
How do you like that for firing? Beautiful.